Okay, guys, so I have my fries here, and you can see it turned out pretty well. The thing is, I had too many fries, and it started to burn sort of on the underside because it's not a deep fryer, and it's like it just. So I just picked out the burnt fries, but otherwise, it tastes very good. I even added some lemon juice, and I added soy sauce to salt the fries. And at the end, I added mozzarella. Basically, I grated mozzarella over the cheese, so they're now like mozzarella cheese curry cheese fries. Okay, so it's pretty good. Mmm. Okay. Let me just quality control for any other burnt fries. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. This is okay. So now we're gonna simply create the cannabis um, condiment. And here I keep it in the fridge. As you can see, there's sort of like a solidified portion of the oil there. You just basically put it in the fridge. It'll solidify, and then every time you want to use it, you just put it on the stove, sort of on a burner that's not doesn't have heat, and it will slowly begin to melt it. Also, if you want to clarify the oil, you just leave it in the windowsill, and it'll begin to the sun will break down the green color. It'll preserve the cannabis. So, okay, so let's add a few drops here. Okay, just like a sort of like a tablespoon maybe of oil. It's pretty potent stuff, so I wouldn't want to do it more than that even. Now we're adding ketchup because ketchup it blends well with the flavor of cannabis oil. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the and this and yes, this is my spice dish as well. So we're doubling it as the spice dish. A few more spices in there. And you can probably smell the cannabis oil now from the ketchup. We're gonna add a little more ketchup. Then we're gonna water it down. Basically, and then we're gonna spread this over the fries. So, the taste will be almost imperceptible, but it's definitely gonna be there. It's gonna give a kick to your fries. And to add an even we're gonna add a little bit of hot sauce here, just to top off the ketchup, to make it a little bit of a spicy ketchup. Just a few dashes. And now, if we were really going exceptional, we would add some mayonnaise to this as well. Maybe I'll borrow some mayonnaise from the fridge. I don't know. No, it smells like Thousand Island dressing. This is a good consistency. This is going to blend in well. And there we go. Mmm. Stony Curry Mozza Fries with Thousand Island Stony dressing. Delicious and nutritious, and it's going to provide you a nice little boost to your day. Thanks, guys, for watching Cooking with Mark.